Hello, we are doing videos for problems 6 and 7. Now 6 we worked on in class, but let's just go over it one more time. So we want to end up with $15,000. So that is our A. In 3 years, that is our T. And the 5% is our R. And compounded continuously, we are using PERT. So again, we want to make sure we look to see what the question is asking. So his question is, how much should he ask his parents for? To see if he could come up with that money in 3 years. So we know the A. We are trying to figure out that amount he needs. And our R is the 0.05. And our time is 3. So be sure, and everybody, when you have that 5%, you convert it to a decimal. And you remember you're moving 2 to the left. So we are solving for this variable. So all we are doing is dividing by that number. This is just doing our inverse operations for algebra. So the best thing to do is, instead of converting that E.05 times 3 to an actual number and round, we want to do the rounding at the very end. So what does this give us? When we enter that all into our calculator, we get that 12,910.62. Okay, on to number 7. Here we have, Will invest $2,000 in a bond that pays 9% compounded semi-annually. His friend Harry invests $2,000 into a CD that compounds continuously at 8.5%. So we'll go ahead and figure out Will's first. So for Will, we have, what is the amount that he will earn when he puts $2,000 into a bond with a 9% semi-annually. That is your 2 after 20 years. And he ends up with $11,632.73. So now, how much does Henry have? So in this case, he again is being compounded continuously. So we need to use PERT. So we have 2,000 times the E, and our R in this case is 0.085 because it's 8.5%. And our time again is the 20. When we calculate that out, it ends up being 10,947.89. 10,947.89. So who has more money after 20 years? Will. So he's a smarter investor and ends up having more than Henry. All right, that's problem 6 and 7.